Hi there, today we're checking out the UPGOGO folding toddler bed rails, designed to keep your child safe and secure. These bed rails measure 33 inches long by 23.6 inches tall and fit various bed sizes including twin, full, queen, and king. The U-shaped base design increases contact with the bed and features a reinforced anchor system to prevent slipping or sliding. Built-in sponges cushion any contact points to protect your child from bumps and bruises. A foldable design with double safety locks allows easy access while preventing accidental openings. Installation is quick and tool-free, taking less than 10 minutes to set up. Plus, the high-quality 300D Oxford fabric cover is removable and easy to clean for everyday convenience. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.